자꾸 몇 번씩 굴려 좀 기다려줄래 어떻게 나 말려든 것만 같아 너의 밀당 게임 오더라도 뜸들일래 나 왜 기다리고 있는지 잘 모르겠어 네 맘도 내 맘도 사실 난 매일 너를
Hi guys, I'm Seonkyoung long guest. Welcome to Asian at Home, and today I'm going to show you the easiest 40 cloves garlic shrimp. I'm going nuts with this garlic shrimp recipe. So yeah, I am going nuts. So let's get started. Add 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil in a 10-inch cast iron skillet. We haven't turned on the heat yet, so this is cold pan and a cold oil. And into cold pan and cold oil, we are going to add a whole 40 cloves of garlic. When you're thinking 40 cloves, it sounds a lot, but then in the pan, it doesn't look that many, is it? I actually think I could have done 50 cloves garlic shrimp, I think. Also add 1 to 2 dried chili. Dried chili is optional. I think it adds really great flavor into it, but if you don't want to use dried chili, you can skip it. Now we're gonna turn on the heat, low heat. Yes, low heat. We are going to make almost like a garlic infused oil here. We are cooking the garlic really slow and low. This is gonna be like as beautiful, as glorious as the roasted garlic, but even better. So on the over low heat, it will start a little simmering and bubble and just let it keep going. Just stir here and there so the garlic will brown up all around evenly. It will take about 12 to 15 minutes. Go ahead and add 1 pound of peeled and deveined shrimp. I'm using jumbo size shrimp. This is actually perfect size for my taste for this recipe. But if you want to use a bigger or smaller, you can definitely do that. Just make sure peeled and deveined so it's much easier to eat later. And here's my key. Why this is Asian? Because we are using Filipina shrimp paste. Yes, this is my kick for this recipe. This is actually inspired from gambas al ajillo. And gambas al ajillo is just a shrimp and olive oil and garlic. That's it, nothing else. But I was like, if this oil can have a whole lot deeper shrimp flavor in it, it's gonna be a killer dish. How can I add more shrimp flavor without going through all the mess and the time that I have to go through? The factories of sauces already done it for me. Shrimp paste. This Filipino shrimp paste is actually a little more sweeter side than the salty. So I am going to add a little pinch of salt and pepper for the seasoning part. So if you're using a little more salty or side of the shrimp paste, go ahead and adjust a little bit. Mix everything together. Flip the shrimp over here and there so they will evenly cook. Okay, this is probably one of the easiest recipes I've ever created. It's crazy. And it's, you know how crazy it is? How delicious it is. That's how crazy it is. Anyways, you can serve this. Well, before serve, you can actually add some little chopped parsley if you have in your refrigerator, or some dried parsley on top. That's what I have. And serve with, believe it or not, toasted bread. I recommend hearty and rustic bread because the rustic bread usually have a nice and thick crust and have a lot of room to absorb all this delicious shrimp garlic oil. It works just so amazing. So this is what I like to do. Toast the bread just really lightly and then take a couple cloves of the garlic on top of the bread, smash down and spread like a butter. Yes, I made your garlic dream come true. And taste it by itself first. I know, so good already. But get ready for next bite because we're gonna put a shrimp on top of that garlic toast. And now take a bite of that. Just talking about it makes me hungry, so let's eat. Let's eat. Come on, guys, come on. camera love.
매일 모든 시간을 필요해 하지만 아직은
Hot one.
If you
Ah,
want,
tiga.
I want the hot one.
no,
Okay,
so good.
I'm gonna
This
show
is
you
barely,
how you
it's
should.
barely Asian though.
You know what you have to do is put the egg and spread
Egg?
it. I mean, not egg, garlic. Put the garlic. Spread. Okay, this is the third dish we are eating today, non-stop.
Nobody cares about that.
We've been eating 2 other dishes today. We are pretty full. I'm just letting you know because we fill a bunch of them in one day. And some of the people already know because I told them before.
Who's full?
I'm full.
Nobody's full. Are you full?
Ooh, look
Dip
at that.
in the little.
Spread out the garlic.
You have to spread the garlic
Put
like
that
smash
shrimp
down.
on
Yeah,
top?
yeah. That's good.
That's so good.
Any Western dish, put some Asian
Whoa.
seasoning sauce in it.
What is that? Fish sauce?
Uh-uh.
Oh, wait.
Shrimp paste. The shrimp paste brings that.
Shrimmy cake.
This is what I would call like a umami taste. That shrimp paste in it. Oh my god.
Otherwise, it's just like,
It's like-
salty.
This will change your life.
Whoa!
See? Changed his life just now.
That garlic with the shrimp and the ooh. Okay, Mom.
How many garlic you put in here?
That's
40?
delicious.
4.
4?
40.
You put 4 in there?
40?
Yeah.
40.
40 cloves garlic.
For what?
For this garlicky deliciousness.
For that taste that you just went, ooh! Ooh!
So, like I mentioned, the leftover oil, it has a lot of great garlicky and shrimp flavor in it. So don't waste it if you have a little leftover oil. I'm not sure if you're gonna have a leftover oil after dipping in so much bread. But if you do, keep it in the refrigerator. It will last about like 1 to 2 weeks. But whenever you have like, what do you call? Whenever you feel like maybe making fried rice or fried noodles, you do this oil. Umami bomb without adding anything else, but it's already so delicious.
This bite like this is like,
The shrimp is so good.
it's like one of my favorite bites.
It's so crusty, it's about to cut my ceiling. But guys, go ahead and try this at home. It's so simple. This is the easiest garlic shrimp I've ever shared. Definitely make it at home. And thank you so much for watching it today. And remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung Longest.
Chicken nuggets.
I'm on your Kim.
And this is Asian at Home. And we will see you next time. Bye, guys.
Take a picture.
Mwah.
Bye.
Yeah, take a picture and tag me. And follow me on TikTok. Seonkyoung Longest for real.
We got a TikTok.
Should I do Seonkyoung for real or Seonkyoung Longest for real?
I don't know. They're all. on.
Right now it's Seonkyoung Longest for real, but I think it's a little too long.
하루에도 자꾸 몇 번씩 굴려 좀